Hi guys, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're really excited to show you our seamless laminated aluminum exterior featured on all Model Is. As you can see, this is not your average metal sidewall. On Model I, we feature Euramax StrongLite aluminum laminated onto an Asdel composite sidewall. This allows you to have a lightweight trailer without sacrificing strength. Ends up being about 50% stronger than your conventional metal sidewalls. In addition to the added strength, you can see we've got this beautiful paint finish paired with Brinkley's automotive graphics package to give you a beautiful exterior to last for years to come. It's UV resistant, and we're so confident in our exterior that we've got a 10-year warranty that covers fading and gloss retention.